Hello everyone, I have been trying to run this experiment for a long time, but finally I got all the implements. We got a couple of straws, we got an empty bottle, we have a few balloons, and we have a drill to make some holes. So this is an experiment that can show us how we actually breathe. And I saw this experiment when I was 9 years old. We did it together at my science class, and it blew my mind away. So I want to show it to you to explain a few basic things that are very important to know about the respiratory system. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, after a few attempts, I managed to get this produced. Right, so basically this explains how we breathe or how we should breathe. So as we all know, we have a diaphragm at the bottom of the ribs, which is this diaphragm here. The lungs sit inside a vacuum, kind of vacuum, inside the chest, right? So the lungs by themselves, they won't move. What do we need for the lungs to move or for us to breathe is to expand this vacuum or this space, the chest, the container. So here you have your ribs, you have, all your intercostal muscles around your chest and on your neck, your shoulders, right? And at the bottom we have this very soft thing called diaphragm. We have two diaphragms, but today we're just talking about this one. The other one is at the bottom of the pelvic floor. So for us to breathe, we have to expand this. So how most people do it, we expand the chest, we expand this, or we use the muscles to expand the chest. The right way to do it is to expand the diaphragm, which is here. I'm gonna show you how it works. So basically, this is not the best option because this is a very tiny balloon. We need a bigger one to suck more air. But when we expand the diaphragm down, the lungs will move like this. Can you see the balloons there? Upside down. That's why it's important for us to practice some yoga as well, so we can loosen up the muscles around this space and the bottom of the pelvic floor, so the two diaphragms can move like that. So we have the one here and one at the bottom of the pelvic floor. So they go like this. Pretty cool, eh? Look. Chun 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 chun. New toy when I use this to teach my students some basic anatomy. Okay. Also love everyone. Talk to you soon.